2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot!
Good launch.
And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot!
Again, elevate to. Uy!
3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Puti. Ang puti.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a casual tournament at Rumble Royale. Today, the Dragon King was challenged by a new Blader, someone he had never faced before until now. This Blader is known for being helpful to others, especially newcomers, and is well regarded in the community. This time, he wants to put his skills to the test by challenging the Dragon King. He is Pabebe. You can check out his Facebook page for helpful Beyblade tips. Will Pabebe defeat the Dragon King, or will the Dragon King make a quick comeback? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with a 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Lightning El Drago upper with a 360 ratchet and the low flat bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Okay, first bay tayo.
Alright.
Show.
Dragon King Challenge.
970.
Ang judge ay si D-Burst. Ang ever supportive D-Burst. Sa lahat ng challenges, bibigay.
Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot!
Good launch.
Ay!
Over finish.
Ay! Ay!
Over finish. 2 points kay Mooncake.
Second bay tayo.
Yun na.
Uy. Flat 160.
Alright, parehas itong ang Grand Buster.
Leaders ready. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot!
Good launch, finish.
Ay!
Teka. Teka.
Balik panalo ko ng first set.
Over finish. First set winner. Okay. Okay. Meron pa tayong 2 sets. So,
Okay, shuffle nyo muna.
first set winner.
Okay,
Okay.
first bay, show. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go shoot!
Good launch.
Go shoot!
Good launch. Salpungan sa streamline. Grabe naman yun. Spin finish ba ito? May Rayboy ba? Tumayo? Tumayo? Rayboy? Spin finish? Spin finish!
Second bay.
Second day.
Buster ulit na.
Grand Buster.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot!
Ganda naman.
All one. Third bay tayo, so. Uy, elevate na. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Go shoot!
Ano score na natin? All one. Uy, finish na naman.
Hindi ko mapalitan eh.
Hindi ko palitan.
Okay, 2-1. Shuffle.
Grabe tong second set ah. Piso-piso.
Okay na, first bay tayo.
Uy,
Hindi na naman,
yun
matchup.
na naman. Disgrasya na to kanina pa eh. Don't
Okay,
think natin.
leaders ready. And 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Good launch.
Uy! Connect!
Laban. Napakiling na si Monkey pero binawi. Yung ining.
Okay.
1 point na.
Tuto na. Ano na sa'yo? Tuto. Uy!
Ano na score natin? 2-2. Grabe.
Okay, leaders
Intense tong
ready.
second set ah.
And 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Okay, elevate to. Uy! Nabiyak! Hindi. Uy! Okay, elevate to. Uy! Nabiyak! Hindi ata na ratchet-check na. Nanalo!
Nanalo! Nanalo!
Nanalo! Nanalo po si DK.
Tama yan, tama.
First set by Mooncake, second set by DK. Tignan natin kung sino ang
May bayad to sa ano,
sa Dragon King Challenge.
Kaya ako may ano eh.
Yeah. Okay na, masaya lang tayo dito, Boss DK.
Okay.
Yo.
Low flap. Low flap. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Overbeat.
Go!
Over finish.
Second bay tayo.
Grandmaster. Dragon. Teka.
Marami ring dragon yung
Maganda to.
Leaders ready. Dragon eh. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Go! Shoot!
Maganda to. Napanood ko na to eh.
Oy! Tignan.
Yan, ang sakit niyan. Jumping, jumping. Okay, pinatay sa likod.
2-1.
2-1.
Third bay.
Third day, Grandmaster.
Oh!
Dragon, ito yung kaninang pumutok bigla. Check Ratchet and Beats, mga kaibigan. Huwag niyong kakalimutan.
Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Soft launch kay Mooncake. Bakit kaya soft launch yun? Yun ang sinasabi. Yun ang sinasabi. Alam nga na din ang soft launch sa Grandmaster. 2-3. 2-3.
Lamang ka na, lamang ka na. Shuffle. Oh, shuffle. Wala pa pamalit, huwag muna.
Huwag magsusoft launch pag Grandmaster, mga kaibigan. Kung di ka bilog na. Kung di ka bilog. Siyempre.
Okay. Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Go!
Explosive. Biglang tumawag. Ang Grandmaster. 3-3 match point. Intense ang laban sa Dragon King Challenge natin, mga kaibigan. Ang gandang content nito. Wow.
Oh!
Elevate.
Cobalt, cobalt.
Rush Cobalt parehas. Nakita na natin to.
Leaders ready.
Anong sabi ni Master? Nakita mo na, Master. Tingin mo sino man nanalo, Master.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ang puti. Ang puti. Ang puti. Hirap sa Jose. Jose. Hirap sa puti. Ang puti. Hirap sa Ayan ang sinasabi. Puti. Puti. Puti nga. Puti. Ang puti si Mooncake eh.
And that's game. The final standings are Dragon King 1, Pabebe 2. What a wild ride from start to finish. It was neck and neck until the third set, then the Dragon King straight up choked under pressure. Pabebe snatches the win and takes the crown as your new Dragon King Challenge champion. Nice one. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Pabebe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.